Hey everyone, so I'm out on a run today and I've left Didsbury. I've just sort of travelled along the River Mersey and headed through Stockport town centre, probably the ugliest part of the Transpennine Trail. So I'm now heading over towards Reddish Vale and I'm going to follow a disused railway to take me round to there, and then I'm going to follow round and back along the Fallowfield Loop, another disused railway, and then just back down to Didsbury along the roads. So yeah, quite an urban run for me today, so I'll see what footage I can get. So I'm now leaving Reddish Vale and just going to head across the roads to link up with the Fallowfield Loop. So I've just left the Fallowfield Loop and I'm leaving Fallowfield now, heading down Hornsey Road to Withington and then on to Didsbury finally. So I'm just heading back to my house now, and yeah, the run was alright. I mean, you know, it's good that there are green spaces like that nearby into the city, and you know, people can access it, but you know, they weren't that brilliant really. And you know, you can see how busy Fletcher Moss was, you know, and this is the problem with, you know, the restrictions of the only place anybody's allowed to go is their part of the city makes, you know, those limited green spaces very busy indeed, which is a problem. Anyway, next videos are going to feature a lot more countryside, thankfully, but I thought I'd give this one a bit of a go and do something a little bit different for a change. So see you next time.